In this video, you'll learn how to make a private listing on eBay. This process allows you to keep bidder and buyer identities hidden, which can be important for sensitive or high-value items. By following these steps, you will create a listing that maintains discretion while still attracting potential buyers. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are signed in, either start a new listing or choose to edit an existing one. As you fill out the listing form, scroll down until you locate the privacy section. Here you will find the option to make the listing private. Selecting this option ensures that the identities of bidders and buyers are concealed, which is particularly useful for items requiring a higher level of confidentiality. After selecting the private listing option, take a moment to confirm the listing format, price, and item details before publishing. It is crucial to double check that all information is accurate and complete. Make sure to add high quality photos and a detailed description of the item. Although the listing is private, it still needs to be appealing to potential buyers. Remember that the privacy setting does not affect the visibility of your listing in search results. It only hides user information. Once you are satisfied with all the details, go ahead and publish the listing. After the listing is live, keep an eye on the responses you receive. eBay allows you to communicate privately with buyers through its messaging system. This ensures that all discussions regarding offers and payments remain confidential, which is essential when handling sensitive transactions. It is important to ensure that all offers and payments are managed securely. Maintaining thorough records of all interactions and transactions will help you manage your sales more effectively. Using private listings strategically can enhance buyer confidence and minimize potential issues associated with sensitive sales. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.